Welcome to my channel, 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 welcome to Cecelia Howard. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia Howard. But for today's video, I'll be teaching us a simple life hack how you can add glamour to your home on the budget. And for this video, I'll actually be turning this stair post into a glam. And what I'll be doing is I'll be adding this mirror mosaic, which is under $2. So I'll be adding this mosaic mirror to this stairs post, and I'll be showing us the final look. And please relax, let's enjoy today's video together. And today's video is about how to add glamour to our home on the budget without breaking a bank. I'll be filling out this inside. I'll be adding the mosaic mirror into the inside. That's the first step I'll be doing. And I'll be doing that for the four sides. So I'm actually done with one side of the post. I'll be doing the same thing on this side of the post. With the other side, so I'll be doing the two different sides. I'll be doing the other side. So I'm done adding glam to the stair post, and I'm going to leave the link to where I got the mosaic in the comment section. Please let me know what you think about this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.